Well, hello everyone. It is October 22nd, 2021. Crack up boom. A lot of people talked about this. I mentioned it on this channel a lot. I talked about rising food prices. Basically, when masses realize how much of their purchasing power they continue to lose on a daily basis, they notice, let's say, piece of meat that they bought just a week ago, now it's 10%, 20% higher, 5% higher, whatever the case may be. Basically, it's higher every time they go into the store and they decide to stack up. So crack up, boom, it is happening, but these are just beginning stages, okay? A lot of people are following all this supply chain disruption, everything that's been going on globally. And obviously, what that means is higher prices because you have a pent-up demand, you have fewer goods now as everything is being cleaned out, and prices continue to go up. I mentioned when I started this video blog about a year and a half, I said I believe we're going to have inflationary and deflationary times, mostly inflationary. But what you will see inflating is the things you need, you use on daily basis, food and energy. Those two sectors are continuing to inflate, and that's unfortunately exactly what is happening. And when I say unfortunately, if you have been preparing and if you have been in, let's say, oil stocks, or if you have been doing other stuff than just complain or sit on your hands and do nothing, you can actually take advantage instead of being taken advantage of. So I continue to prepare. I continue to block all the noise from mainstream talking heads, and I just think for myself. I listen to certain video blogs. I'm comparing what these people are talking about. Then I watch with my own eyes when I go outside, and now I'm more involved since we have farm going on here. I'm more involved with food industry. I can see what's happening. We just recently had one of our cows processed, so I talked to the owners, I talked to the managers, truck drivers. It does not matter who you talk to. Everybody has basically the same answer. Prices are going up. They are waiting for deliveries for certain products, whatever it is, items. There is just a lot of issues going on right now, and I unfortunately believe this is just the beginning. So this crack up boom is just in the probably phase 2 right now. We already had phase 1 happening for the last several months, and there is many more to go, but this will happen really quick when you move into the last phase, okay? It will happen within maybe 24, 48, at the most 72 hours until all the stores are just emptied out, and that's when you start seeing major civil unrest and everything else that goes with it. And I'm telling you this from experience. I lived through this. This is not picking some information from the trees and waking up with some crazy idea that I believe it's going to happen. These are facts, okay? Open your eyes, open your ears, continue to prepare. Inflation is here to stay. It's only going to get higher, and it will be in those two areas, plus possibly rent, something else. It's going to be everything that you need is going to continue to go up, and everything that you own is going to go down. Right now, everything is up, but I believe that deflation of 401ks, of your 401k, is going to take place. Your home value, all of this is going to return to its means. Right now we are 30, 40%, in some cases way higher, overvalued in real estate. In case these prices continue to go up and your 401k goes right now from, let's say you started it at 10k, to keep math pretty simple, you're at 35, all of a sudden you look a year later, your 401k is at 60 or 70, possibly even higher. You know hyperinflation is here, and it does not matter what the digit on the screen is showing you, because there is nothing you can buy for it. I don't know if it's going to get to that level, but the way this is going, guys, it is on the table. And even Burry from The Big Short, a lot of you heard about it. He's talking about hyperinflation as well, that is now more probable in United States than ever. And we all know United States, the almighty dollar is the world's reserve currency. If this does take place, a lot of other countries are going down in flames. This channel is not to scare you, it is to prepare you. Keep all the noise away, focus, and you'll do just fine. If anybody ever needs anything when it comes to 100% grass-fed beef, direct message me on Twitter at DNewAmerica77, or just put some info down below in the description box, and I will contact you. I will send you my email, and we can go from there. I will write all this info, where I'm at on Twitter, etc., and go from there. So 100% grass-fed beef. We don't have any right now. We had one cow processed. It was gone within just a few days. People are looking for good deals. They are looking for reliable delivery. They are looking for local farmers. It's all I've been doing is supporting smaller businesses. It's the only way every country can make it, is if small businesses are being pushed instead of big corporations. Now, when it comes to the stock market, to finish off this video, which I believe so far, unless I mess it up at the end, has been very beneficial. I entered Petrobras. It is PBR. P as a pole, B as a boy, R. PBR. It is the stock ticker. I'm looking at this one for short-term hold in case it does sell off big. It's got pretty good dividend to kind of take you through some rough seas, if you will. So I'm looking at from 990, I think, right now. That's when it's trading, as I entered yesterday and today. And I'm looking to sell around between 12 and 13. We'll see how it goes. So 20 to 30%, I'm expecting this stock to jump in a very short period of time, most likely by December, maybe January, but that would be the play for right now. When you look at gold and silver, they took some nice jumps today. They got slammed down again. I'm not even worried about it. This is my long play. If there is another huge drop, I will do my last bullet. I will use it, as I talked about, to dollar cost average. But besides that, I don't see much play in precious metals besides just waiting. Key levels right now are still, silver is over 24, which is really good. And gold should close next week over 1825, so 1,825. And if silver is over 24, we can see some fireworks, and these fireworks will be impressive. I know you guys are probably tired of precious metals if you are in the equities, because you are just expecting huge gains. Markets have a mind of their own. They move when you least expect it, and I would suggest to continue to stay patient and have well-timed aggression ready to be initiated. Have that in your toolbox. Take care. So PBR is the stock pick. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Share it, like it, and so long from Independence Arc.